In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check the word count in a Notion database using a formula. By the end, you'll have a word count that updates automatically as you write. Let's get started. Open your Notion database and make sure you have a text property where you'll write or paste your content. If you don't have one yet, create a new text property and give it a name such as content. Next, add a new property by clicking the plus button at the end of your database columns. Choose formula as the property type and name it word count. In the formula editor, paste your word count formula. Make sure the property name in the formula matches the name of your text property exactly. For example, if your text property is named content, update the formula to reference content instead of another property name. Click Done to save the formula. Now, whenever you type or paste text into your text property, the word count column will automatically calculate and display the total number of words. If the word count doesn't appear correctly, double check that the property name in the formula matches your text property and that the formula was entered without any errors. That's how to check word count in Notion. Thanks for watching.